Factory reset. You will need your Picofirm and a Wi-Fi connection. Press the On status button and wait for any indicator light to appear. Then press and hold the button until you see all 3 lights blinking. Keep the On status button pressed until all the indicator lights go out, and then release the button. All 3 solid lights will appear after a few seconds. Open up an internet browser connected to Wi-Fi and go to picobrew.com/setup/picofirm. Make sure all 3 indicator lights are solid so your Picofirm is ready to pair. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Picofirm's Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi name will be Picofirm followed by an underscore and its product ID. Enter password Picofirm12 ! To connect. Once you have successfully connected, follow the link on step 3. Enter your SSID and password to connect Picofirm to your Wi-Fi. If you are not sure what your SSID is, use the list below to see your available wireless access points. Make sure the credentials entered are correct. Click Submit. Picofirm is now connected. Your Picofirm will still be associated with the original user account. If you would like to register Picofirm on a new user account, please contact info@picobrew.com. If your Picofirm is stuck in access point mode with all 3 lights solid after attempting to reconnect to Wi-Fi, remove the battery compartment lid. Remove one battery and reinsert the battery. Now try the factory reset procedure again.